All right, to help y'all out with the first step, it's y minus y1, right? Y minus the y value is 6 equals m, the slope, which is 2, parentheses x, minus the x value, which is 4. Different numbers than yesterday, same idea. Next thing you're going to do is distribute. Yep. Yeah, 4 of them in the room.
All red. It's on the red.
Good.
It's the shirt right. Yeah.
Okay, then you want to distribute. Then you want to distribute. Listen up. Y minus 6 equals 2 times x is 2x. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. Okay. And then what's your last step? But to solve. To get rid of that minus 6. What's the opposite of minus 6? Plus 6. So let's add 6 on both sides. Plus 6 plus 6. Y equals 2x. And negative 8 plus 6 is negative 2. Okay. Got some quick notes to do. Okay, your test, or your quiz, Friday. We're going to do this today and tomorrow. Quiz on it on Friday. Next Thursday is your Unit 1 test. So have that on your mind, on your calendar. That's what we gotta be away. Here we go. Hopefully you got that warm up. Y equals 2x minus 2. Let's see here.
Bro.
Really?
Really?
Okay, well, we can come back to it. I'm moving fast. Slope intercept, ready? Slope intercept is y equals mx plus b. So, I'm telling you how to do this. We're going fast. On number 1, okay, we are talking about today word problems. Okay, this requires reading. You can do it. It's important that you can read. Okay, it's part of our swirl. We do it every day. But when you're reading when you're reading this, I'm going to tell you what to look for to make a slope-intercept equation. Okay, ready? Let's read this. I'm going to tell you what to circle, the key word. Evan is going to the county fair this weekend. The admission to the fair is $5, and the cost per ride. Can you circle? Yes, we're writing. Can you circle per?
Per means multiply.
Per does mean multiply. And per, if you remember Rady the math cat, per means, or let me put it this way. Per means rate of change. What's another word for rate of change? Slope. Okay? So sometimes you'll have a word problem and it'll have per, and that's going to be your M. So whenever you see per, that's going to be your slope. Oh, my bad. The cost per ride is 50 cents, okay? So this is going to be your M, okay? So when you're doing this, if you have a per, that's changing, a rate of change, that's going to be your M. And the constant that does not change, that happens once at the beginning, that's going to be your B, where you begin. So when you are paying for this county fair, you begin to pay the admission of $5, and then you change 50 cents per ride. So write and solve a linear equation. Okay. First of all, we're going to write that linear equation. Y equals. Now, what's going to be my M? Is it going to be 50 cents or $5? 50 cents was the per ride, so I'm going to put 0.50. Y'all got to know that 50 cents is 0.50, okay? Make sure you write this down and not on the computer because this is brand new stuff. Yeah, both of y'all. You too. You too. Look. X plus B. What's my B where I began? Admission was $5, okay? So step one, you got to write the equation. Step two, it says if the parent gives them $20, find the solution. How many rides? Okay. That would be 6. No. So here's what you're gonna do. Are you gonna plug in 20 into X or Y? What do you think? Yeah. Oh, okay. So check it out. 20. I'm gonna spend $20. Do I put 20 in Y or 20 in X? What do you think? 20 in Y, because X is per ride. $20 is not a ride. So $20 equals 0.50x plus 5. Today and tomorrow in my class. Now check it out. Good question. Today and tomorrow in class. Now, can you solve this? That's the question. There are 2 ways to solve it. You can do a 2-step equation where you get rid of the loner and divide. Or do you remember that warm-up where I told you how to type it into Desmos with the squiggle and the letter N? You're allowed to use that, especially on the STAR test, right? So we can pass it. Some of y'all? Okay, so if you plug that into Desmos like this, 20 squiggly 0.50 n plus 5, you either type it into Desmos like this or solve it like this. Minus 5 minus 5, 15 equals 0.5x. Divide by 0.5. And you do get 30. 30 rides on the whatever. 30 rides.
The country fair.
Yeah. All right. Do you 20 bucks, 30 rides, no big deal. Now, I'll show you one more. While visiting what? Probably not. While visiting Crimson Lake, Sally decided to go kayaking. The rangers charge $8.50 per hour. Oh, that's going to be M, right? That's my slope, my guy. In addition to a $25 deposit. Let me tell you, the word deposit is at the beginning. That's going to be your B value. Cool?
It's the D backwards.
All right. So if I know M and I know B, can I write Y equals MX plus B?
Yeah.
Yes. Here, let's write it. Y equals M, we said was, we're going to call it 8.5 X plus the B value, 25. You don't have to put the 0.00. Now, it says if she rented from 11:30 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. How many hours is that?
2 or 3.
Well, which one? So 11:30 to 12:30, 1:30, 2:30 is 3 hours. Count it, okay? So they're saying after 3 hours, now is hours going to be X or Y? What do y'all think? Well, let's think about it. 850 per hour means 850 times hours. This is an X. This one's a little bit easier, okay? Now you could type it into Desmos like this, okay? N squiggle 8.5 N. Sorry, 8.5. The hours was 3 plus 25. Okay, you can type it into Desmos like this. You'll get your answer. Does everyone remember this trick? You type it in with a,
50.5.
hold on. Or you can just do the math. What is 8.5 times 3 plus 25?
12, 16.
25.5 plus 25? Is it 50.5?
Yes.
50.5 what?
And. Or and.
Total cost. So this has got to be in money, dollars. That's $50 and 50 cents. Okay. Now, that's half the notes. That's the type of problem that gives you slope intercept.
That's me not half the nose.
Well,
Yeah.
we can. Do you want me to show you 2 more examples, or do you get it?
No, it's standard.
Okay, but yeah, now the second half starts here. You need me to? Okay, well, I'm gonna let y'all do the other half, and I'll give you the answers in like 10 minutes. That's what we'll do. All right, the other half, it starts down near the bottom at standard form. Do y'all remember what standard form is?
Yes.
Really? Tell me what it is.
Hold on, let me think. Like, if you get a number.
AX plus B. It is C.
Yeah.
X plus by equals C. Yeah. Now, this is going to be a little different because you may not see the per word. Let's read it. Sam ordered 2 hamburgers and 3 hot dogs. Okay. When you see 2 items, you might be doing standard form. 2 items. Okay. From the concession stand at the baseball game. And if you have a total amount of money, let's see here. So, all right. So, 2 hamburgers. So, when you have 2 items, call one of them X. X is going to be hamburgers. Y is going to be hot dogs. So, here's our situation. Make sure you're looking over here. So, 2X, 2 times the number of hamburgers, plus, 2 hamburgers times the price, plus 3 hot dogs. So, 3 times the price of hot dogs equals, what's the total cost for both of these?
$19.05.
$19.05. Okay, so that's standard. Then it tells us one of these X and Y. Hamburger is $5.25. Is hamburger X or Y? So instead of X, I'm going to put $5.25.
Is that a 0 or 2?
2. Now, do you know the easy way to use Desmos to solve this? It's got to be out. So in Desmos, the easy way to do this is use squiggle and use N. 2, 5.25, squiggly, 3N equals 19.05. And I'm going to let y'all do that for me. What does it equal?
Hold on.
Up here in the front. He's typing. He's going fast. He's going to get the right answer. Or maybe not. I'm trying to beat you. Here, hold on. Wasting time. Am I? Here we go. Ready?
Whoa,
2.
you missed it. Wait, I put it in. It's not working. Wait, whoa. I put that and it's not working.
Obviously, you never put that.
My bad.
So I was. I think it's.
Sorry.
It was a typo.
3.
Can I typo every so often, please?
It's Tress.
Okay, so hold on. Is it 3? Wait a minute. Hey,
Oh.
2 times
I put that up.
5.25 plus 3N, squiggly, 19.05.
I said it's not 0.
Student. All right, so we got what? 285. 285. Shh. 285. All right, do you see how this works?
Yeah.
Okay, one more standard form and that's it. So, I'll give you a second to get this down, but like real quick because I got to flip it over.
Like underlay, domino.
Actually, I can just probably do this. Here we go. What's up? What's up? Not yet. Okay, but almost done. And don't be looking at your computer. Look over here. Now, do we have two things here? Tickets at a school play cost $4 in advance and at the door. Wait,
Damn.
advance? Door? Sounds like two things. So I should do $4 for those advance tickets plus $5 for those door tickets. The total ticket sales were $4.40. All right, my guy. My girl. All right, my guy. Now, if no tickets were sold in advance, that means 0 advance. Which one's advance?
Or X.
Yeah, X. So they're saying 0x. 4 times 0, sheesh. Plus 5y equals 440. Now you could, once again, Desmos this thing. Now, do you have to put 4 times 0? I mean, it's 0, but whatever. Plus 5n, squiggle, 440.
Are you funny?
I know.
Why are you looking?
Now, you plug it in. This gets eliminated. Basically, you divide by 5 is how you would solve it by hand. What do you get?
88.
88 what?
And
Tickets at the door. Door ticks, my guy. Okay. Do I need to show you every example on this? All right. So since you okay. Well, here- okay. I'm gonna say no. Now, if you want me to give you if you want to try it on your own, and I give you the answers to the rest of the notes at the end, fine. But for now, I'm gonna give you the assignment. You got today and tomorrow. You got plenty of time and to catch up on these assignments, and I will grade them. I promise by tomorrow. Okay. Let's get started. Yes.